We've changed consciousness with the body's clock, with sleep, and with chemistry. This final segment asks whether the mind can change its own state deliberately through hypnosis and through meditation. Both are surrounded by myth, so let's be careful. Start with hypnosis. The stage show image, a swinging watch, total mind control, clucking like a chicken against your will, is mostly theater. What hypnosis actually involves is a state of heightened suggestibility and focused attention induced by a procedure of relaxation and guided suggestion. Under hypnosis, some people become unusually responsive to suggestions. They may report not feeling pain or perceiving things differently, but the crucial findings are these. People vary enormously in how hypnotizable they are, and no one can be hypnotized against their will or made to do something deeply against their values. So what is it really? There's genuine scientific debate. One view holds that hypnosis is a special altered state of consciousness. Another, the social influence view, argues it's not a unique state at all, but a powerful form of role-playing and focused expectation. People doing what the situation strongly invites them to do. The truth may combine both. What's not in doubt is that hypnosis has real measurable effects, especially for pain. Hypnosis can meaningfully reduce the experience of pain used in some surgeries and for chronic pain, which connects straight back to the gate control idea that attention and expectation can turn the volume of pain up or down. Now, meditation, an ancient family of practices that train attention and awareness. In focused meditation, you concentrate attention on a single object, the breath, a word, a sensation, and gently return to it whenever the mind wanders. In open monitoring or mindfulness practice, you observe whatever arises in awareness without grabbing onto it or pushing it away. What was once purely contemplative is now heavily researched, and the evidence is increasingly solid. Regular meditation is associated with reduced stress and anxiety, improved attention and emotional regulation, and even measurable changes in the brain. Recall that the brain is plastic. That experience reshapes it. Training your attention, it turns out, leaves a physical mark. The bigger point of this whole chapter is worth holding on to. Consciousness is not a fixed, single thing. It's a dynamic landscape that shifts with your internal clock, with sleep, with chemistry, with suggestion, and with disciplined practice. You are not simply at the mercy of your states of mind within limits. You can learn to shape them. We've now studied the brain, the senses, and consciousness. The natural next question is how all that machinery changes with experience, how we learn. And that's exactly where the next chapter begins.